Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Not too long ago, we dove into the latest Artistly 4.0 updates on this channel. If you don't know what Artistly is, let me fill you in. It's an AI-powered platform that can create stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Using artificial intelligence, from sleek logos to fully realized 3D characters, no fancy software skills required. And here's the kicker. The tool is yours for a one-time payment with lifetime access. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'm not here to run through every feature or do another full review. Instead, today's video zooms in on 5 game-changing Artistly features that have completely supercharged our creative process. So get comfy and let's dive in. First things first, let me log in so you can see it in action. We've been using Artistly for nearly a year now, and at first, I thought it was just okay. But lately, the team behind it has seriously stepped up their game, rolling out a whole range of powerful new features and updates. Now, let me log in and walk you through 5 of my favorite features inside Artistly. You might recognize this interface from our last Artistly review, but if you missed that video, I'll link it below. Definitely give it a watch after you finish here. Let me click on Create a Design tab. Now here, I am going to choose the Fast AI Image Designer. The first feature we are going to look at is the AI Illustrator feature. This feature harnesses advanced AI technology to transform your simple prompts into stunning, detailed illustrations that speak volumes. As you can see here, it is a clean, user-friendly interface for crafting custom illustrations in a variety of styles. You have a wide selection of illustration themes, including anime-style illustration, doodle-style illustration, retro-style illustration, semi-realistic cartoon style, watercolor-inspired digital style, playful cartoon storybook style, Pixar-like, and more. Now, let's choose this style. Once we do that, this large prompt box opens up. This is where you'll describe the image you want the AI to create. Whether you're envisioning a whimsical fairy tale castle floating on a cloud, or a cozy home office scene with a warm, rustic vibe, the more clarity and detail you provide, the better the AI can bring your idea to life. If you're just starting out, don't worry about perfection. Begin with a few descriptive words, then refine your prompt as you see the results. Right below the prompt box, you'll find a drop-down to pick your preferred aspect ratio. By default, it is set to 1:1, 1024 times 1024, which is ideal for social media posts, profile pictures, or anything that benefits from a square format. However, you can experiment with other aspect ratios if you're creating, say, a banner for your website or a tall Pinterest-style graphic. Once you're ready, click the Generate Image button and let the magic happen. Artistly will interpret your prompt and chosen style, along with any details you entered in the previous step, to craft a custom illustration. Here's the illustration we just conjured up. I used the prompt, a man eating ice cream sitting on a bench in a park, and this is what the AI delivered. It's pretty impressive, although the ice cream came out a bit oversized. No worries though, that's the beauty of this tool. If I'm not thrilled with any detail, I can simply regenerate the image for a perfect fit. Next, let's look at the Perfect Text and Hands Image Designer. Artistly has tackled 2 of the most common challenges in AI-generated design with this feature. The Perfect Text component ensures that any typography in your designs, from logos and t-shirts to social media posts, is rendered with flawless clarity. Also, generating realistic human hands has long been a stumbling block for many AI image generators. Artistly's solution is to use meticulous design algorithms that ensure every hand in your image is both anatomically accurate and artistically appealing. Here, we can either start from a prompt or choose one of these presets. For this demo, let me create a logo with perfect text. I am going to choose this preset. Now here, I can modify this prompt to suit my needs, but I am only going to change the text here. Instead of Artistly, I am going to use our channel's name. Let's enter Smart Webpreneur. I am going to keep everything else the same. Let's choose High Quality. Keep the resolution as it is and generate. And here's the result. That's looking really amazing. Our channel's logo in the desired style. Similarly, you can create t-shirt mockups, social media posts, and more using this feature. Now, let's look at the 3D Consistent Characters feature. This feature lets you create a character once and then generate multiple scenes, poses, or outfits while keeping that character's overall look and personality intact. Think of it as having your own hero or mascot that you can place into different scenarios without losing consistency in facial features, style, or proportions. Here's how it works. You'll start by entering a brief description, like a 16-year-old boy with a sword and shield, or a playful little girl in a spring meadow. Once you hit Generate Character, Artistly produce several 3D-styled images that match your description. The system interprets your prompt and renders multiple 3D illustrations of a character. Each variation might differ slightly in facial expressions, hairstyle, or clothing. As you can see in these images which I have generated, the little girl in a green dress or the friendly-looking teenage boy in a cozy living room, they'll all share a cohesive 3D cartoon-like style. From the grid of generated images, you pick the one that best captures the look and feel you want. After selecting your character, you'll see a new prompt field labeled Write Prompt. Let's say you enter, walking through a futuristic city at sunset, wearing casual sci-fi attire. Artistly will keep the facial structure, hair color, and overall style consistent, but now place the character in a futuristic urban setting, in a walking pose. This 3D Consistent Characters feature is perfect for anyone needing a recurring character, whether it's for a children's book, animated explainer series, or brand mascot. You generate the character once, pick the version you love, and then reuse it across countless new scenes without losing the signature style. The next feature I want to show you is Artistly's MockUp Creator. This offers a quick way to visualize your logo or any design on various products or scenes. Here's how it works. At the top, click on the MockUp Creator tab. Now here, you can either upload an image, your logo or design file, or select a design you've already created within Artistly. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see a prompt labeled, "Please describe your logo." For instance, you might type something like, "A sleek, modern logo for a digital marketing agency." Next, the MockUp Creator asks, "Where do you need the logo to be placed?" and prompts you to select dimensions. Here's where you describe the final scene or product you want to see your logo on. For example, woman wearing a black t-shirt with the logo in a garden setting, a coffee mug on a wooden desk, or an outdoor billboard in a busy city environment. The more specific you are about the environment, product type, or setting, the more accurate and tailored the AI-generated mockup will be. When you click Generate Design, Artistly's AI processes your logo file, the descriptive text about the logo, and the scene or the product details to create a polished mockup. And here's the result. Finally, let's look at the AI Product Images feature. This feature is designed to help you place a single object, like a bag, water bottle, or anything else, into various realistic backgrounds or scenes. This is particularly useful if you want to generate professional-looking product photos for e-commerce, social media, or marketing materials, all without the need for a physical photo shoot. Let's click on the AI Product Images tab to get started. You'll see a prompt that reads, "Instant training of your photos. Only upload photos of one object." Here, you can either upload a new image of your product or design, or select a personal design you've previously saved in Artistly. I chose to upload this horseman.png file. I just wanted to see whether Artistly can handle this image or not. Normally, you'd upload an actual product photo. For example, a handbag, a water bottle, a toy. But Artistly treats any single object as something it can learn and place in different scenes. Once uploaded, you'll see a quick preview confirming that your file is ready. Next, decide whether you want a square image, portrait, or landscape format. In the prompt box, you explain where and how you'd like your object to appear. For example, this cup is on the kitchen table. For the horseman image, you could say, "This horseman design is displayed on a bookshelf in a cozy living room." Or, "This horseman figurine is on a rustic wooden table outdoors. I wanted to put it on a t-shirt worn by a beautiful woman." And that's what I entered. After you type in your prompt and confirm the dimensions, click Generate Design. Artistly then combines them to produce a lifelike image. Essentially, it's as though you staged a professional photo shoot with your product, only you're doing it instantly through AI. This feature is all about taking a single isolated object and generating a variety of professional photorealistic scenes around it. So there you have it, 5 of my favorite new features in Artistly. They're saving us a ton of time, and the results look super professional. If you want to give these a try, I'll drop a link in the description so you can check out Artistly for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative tool breakdowns. I'll catch you in the next video.